Let's use a VPN on any iPhone. No matter what iPhone you have, whether it's an older one or a newer one, I'm going to show you how to add a VPN, add the app, set it up, and set up the connection so that you have that VPN connection. The first and easiest thing we can do is just hop into our settings here, and we're going to tap on our name at the very top. Now on here, we can tap on iCloud towards the middle here. And then we can hit, if we go down towards the bottom, private relay. Now the key thing here is this is a cool feature that Apple provides to every iPhone owner, and it's called iCloud Private Relay. And basically what this does is it sends all of your internet traffic from your phone through a VPN and basically to the website or app or whatever it is. Now, if you just want privacy, if that's your goal with a VPN is privacy, just turning on this private relay, toggling on that feature allows you to have a lot more privacy because it goes through a VPN automatically. You don't have to download a third-party app. It's all built into your iPhone. However, the key thing here is that this VPN doesn't go to another country. Say I want my traffic to be able to go through a different country. I'm in the United States. I want it to go through France or Spain or wherever. I can always hop out of here and just open up the App Store. And I'm just going to search for a VPN. Now, there are tons of VPNs on the market. It doesn't necessarily matter which one you choose. This first one gets a lot of good reviews, so I'm just going to download that one. And then once that is done installing, basically we'll walk through the steps of setting it up and turning on that VPN. So once it's done, I'll just open it up here. It'll say accept and continue. And then I'll hit continue. And then I don't necessarily need to upgrade at this point. You can use a free version, so just hit the X at the top right. And then all you have to do literally is just hit that little power button and hit allow. And then I'm going to enter in my password for my specific phone. And now it pops up with ads because obviously this is free, so they need to make money through ads. So I'm going to hit skip ads at the top left. And now you can see I am connected to a VPN. It was that easy to set it up. If I ever wanted to disconnect, I just press that power button again and hit OK. And it'll pop up with another ad to basically help pay for that VPN. But if we get out of here, let's try to exit out of this. Let me open it up again. At the very top here, it gives you the ability to choose which specific country or VPN you want to use. So at the top, it says fastest location. I can tap on that, and it gives me the ability to choose specifically which servers I want all my traffic to route through. So all of these are free. There are a bunch of free ones in the United States. This one's in Italy, Japan, Singapore, London, Germany. All of these are free. And then if you keep scrolling down towards the bottom, or if you search for some of these, some of them will be paid for if they're a bit more of a premium VPN. But you can see there are ones all around the world. You can connect to a server in a different country if that is what you want. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.